How's it going? Jake with Titan Applicators. Today we are headed up to Longmont. We got a call from a customer. He has a flat roof. It's more of a circular roof, foam and coat. It's more preventative, which is awesome calls we love to hear. When you got these foam roofs, you want to make sure they're regularly maintained and inspected. They're very durable roofs, but if they're neglected, it can lead to other problems. So this call is a good call. We're going to get out there, take a look at what's going on, and hopefully just needs another recoat. And if there's any soaked areas, we're going to remove those. But right now we're hoping that we're not going to get any of those soaked areas. So yeah, we're heading up there right now. We're going to take a look at it and see how we can help this customer out. Our very first thing that we want to do with our clients is learn about their roof, about what's going on. So our first thing is like, is there any leaks? Is there any issues that you know of? And first we want to make sure that everything on the interior is going to be safe. So we talked to our client. He said that he was experiencing some leaking on the outside of the building, basically coming off of the edge and coming down the side of his building. There was a little bit of leaking on the inside. Now, we want to check this before we get on the roof so we can look and identify where those problems are coming from. So that was our first step. So we did that, found out where the trouble spots were, and then we got up on the roof. We checked those trouble spots, and then we look for those same spots that could possibly be on the other part of the roof. So once we identify the issues, then we start to go through the rest of the roof, start to measure it, and start to build up a plan on, exactly how to help that customer out. Every roof is a little bit different, comes with its different challenges, its different issues. On this particular one, like I said, he had two main issues with both of the sides. So we identified what was going on, and it was mainly due to the edges. One thing that we like to do with our roofs is we like to reinforce our edges. When you're looking at a spray foam roof or a coating roof, some of the biggest issues are either going to be around the penetrations or around the edges. So those are the things that we always take in consideration. We like to three-course, which is it's either going to be a putty, mesh, putty, or a coating, mesh, coating. What we'll do is we'll do that on all the edges, around all the penetrations, and what that does is it just reinforces those areas where there could be possible leaking. So looking at this job, we are going to reinforce the edge because that's where he's been having his leaks. All his penetrations are good, but we are going to reinforce those as well just to make sure that in the future it's going to be protected. And then we're going to go ahead and coat it. So in this particular one, we're taking care of the edges. We're also going to take care of any wet spots, bubbles, cuts. We'll dig into them and go as far as the wet foam takes us. Once we get all of that cut out and removed, we want to let it air out to get all that moisture out the most that we can. And then the next day we're going to come back, fill up the holes, take care of our edges, and then we're going to go ahead and coat the whole roof. So that's going to be this process on this roof going forward. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll show you how we take care of it.